Narayan Sharma from the Rotary Club of Mulund Hills, and we are here to have a project with Snehalaya. Our involvement with Snehalaya is starting today, and we are going to have a big project with Snehalaya and jointly with the Rotary Club of Ahmednagar Central. My involvement in the whole thing is I visited Snehalaya maybe 4 or 5 years back, and I was very impressed with what was happening. I was a little sad that such things happen in our country, but I was also very happy that there is an institution which is looking at rehabilitation of all these people. Then one thing led to another, another thing led to another, and then here we are with my group of 11 to 15 Rotarians in this place and actually contributing and maintaining this place today.
Good afternoon all. Today, the 10th October, is one of the most memorable days in the history of Snehalaya, as well as both the Rotary clubs. One is Rotary Club of Ahmednagar Central and second one is Rotary Club of Mulund Hills. These two clubs, they have come together and they have helped the NGO Snehalaya. This is probably the unique example of two NGOs, three NGOs joining hands together to help the children. And the basic motive behind it is to develop the vocational skills amongst the children. All the three NGOs want the children to have vocational skills to be self-sufficient in the years to come. And for this purpose, the Rotary clubs, they have gathered a lot of funds, and out of those funds, Snehalaya has purchased the basic tools required to develop the vocational skills. Likewise, compressor for spray painting, then hacksaw cutting machine which will cut the wood. From wood, the students have planned to make many articles which they have planned to sell on the website, through the website, and they want to be a professional in this vocational training, right from manufacturing up to the selling point. Every aspect they are going to cover. And for this, on behalf of Snehalaya, I am very much thankful to Rotary Club of Ahmednagar Central and Rotary Club of Mulund Hills. As well as at the same time, I am very much thankful to children for their all activities which they are doing on their own from bottom of their heart. And I am very much sure these children will be shining example for other children of the Snehalayas in the years to come.
When we got associated, it's a heart-touching feeling looking at the students here, and look, we are really blessed. We are blessed by Snehalaya to be given an opportunity to serve them, to serve towards vocation, training of those students, through which their skill will be developed, and in future they will be proud citizens of this community, this society.
एक हिंदी में एक चीज़ है कि सुख और आनंद, आप लोग सबसे मुझे मिलकर सुख लगा, मगर जब स्नेहालय में आके जो आनंद हुआ, सुख तो शरीर को लगा कि आप लोगों से मिला, बहुत मज़ा आया, दोस्त बने, मगर स्नेहालय में आके जो आत्मा को आनंद हुआ कि हमारे देश का भविष्य कुशल हाथों में है और आप लोग एक बहुत अच्छा काम करें, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।